I'm gonna have this thing loaded. Big mama! Woo! Boom! Oh, smoke. Oh. You got poop on your finger, dude. Oh!
I already know what you're doing.
Oh my god, they're little fish!
No, they aren't.
See it? Look at them all. You better run, son! What is going on, Crows? Welcome back to another video. Oh! I got a bunch of apples again from Blake. We're gonna feed the pigs real quick before we get into today's video. Come on, Bubba. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Lulu, come back for more.
Oh, she's got that one all day.
Apples are gone. With that being said, into today's video sponsor and then video. Today's video is sponsored by True Classic. When it comes to your wardrobe, do you always feel like you're having to pick between the price and your style? Settling on ill-fitted shirts so you don't break the bank? Well, it's time to stop settling when it comes to your style. Introducing True Classics Apparel. Now, the secret behind True Classic is their True Fit custom sizing approach, which allows you to customize your fit on a dynamic sliding scale to match your unique body proportions. True Classic comes with a little tighter around the top here, and then when it comes down, it's a little bit looser for you. True Classic offers 3-packs, 6-packs, and 9-packs of pre-assembled outfits and color coordinations to make pairing and layering super easy for you. Get an entire wardrobe, great quality products, all at an affordable cost. And no matter how many times you wash all of their clothes, they will never shrink, shred, or get out of style. True Classic is anything but basic. I'm telling you, go to the link down below, trueclassictees.com/Paul, and use my promo code Paul25 to get 25% off right now. The link is down below. We are here at the iconic bait spot where all the bait catching gets down. I got my buddy Griffin here, and today we're doing a 1v1 Castnet challenge. Whoever catches the most fish at the end of the timer wins. I got this bucket right here. Each of us will get 5 minutes on the clock separately. We both have 3-foot nets, so it's equally as competitive here. And I want you to comment down below, who do you think is gonna win this challenge? We each get 5 minutes.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know you were gonna put it on me.
This guy's already talking smack, huh? The timer's about to begin. This bin right here is gonna be where we put our fish when it's our turn. I'm gonna have this thing loaded. Him, on the other hand, he'll probably end up going to try to cast at the blue heron. Your turn first.
You have home court advantage, dude.
You've been here before. Let me get the timer out.
Not to spoil anything here, but I did take the dub against Sprint here with a walking catfish. Just saying.
I went to my calculator instead of the clock. 5 minutes.
Okay.
And 1 second. Because I'm gonna give you a 1 second advantage. That's how confident I am.
Oh, gee, thanks.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, nothing. What? Is that for real? All right, good start, guys. Hey, don't worry about it, all right? I'm really building up the suspense here for that last second catch, you know? Did I get him? No. Dude, did you put a hole in my net? Yeah, that was pretty good, huh?
Griffin has 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's see what's Griffin's got so far. Did I mention this is round 1 of 2 rounds? So he does have another 5 minutes after my first round.
Dude, there is no fish over here, I promise.
He said I'm coming back round 2. Okay, it's a bit better. I'm believing in that one.
Oh, there's something.
Yo, got a tank.
Oh my. Okay. All right. That's valid. I gotta bring it back to the bucket.
You gotta bring it back. I told Griffin, in order for the fish to count for the round, it's gotta touch the water in the bucket.
Mission success.
Oh!
Was that the timer?
The timer has gone off. That was 5 minutes. Round 1.
That was a nice run from the corner.
You got poop on your finger, dude.
Oh! Why is it green?
I dare you to lick it off your finger. I dare you. Don't even do it. Don't do it.
$5.
Seriously.
$5.
Griffin, dude.
Oh,
don't do it, dude.
Disgusting.
Oh my god. Sicko.
You're all getting more and more serious.
Griffin! Griffin, please! Griffin ends round 1 with a big old beautiful breeder tilapia right here. We're gonna release it and get on to my round 1.
Bye!
Timer is about to begin right now. See, the timer's going. It's going right now. It's still going right now. But I'm just so confident that I don't even need to run.
I already know what you're doing.
I never said I can't come to the other side. Oh yeah, that's one. That's two, baby. That's two. Let me take a deep breath and just sit back real quick.
Have fun getting those over to the bin.
I know, they don't count until they hit the bin. I need to get one more to be comfortable. Stay there, buddy. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, baby.
Check this out. I've got one of 3 fish so far. They're beautiful little bluegill. Griffin, don't even think about it. Oh. All right. I only got one. I need to get to work. Come on, baby. No. Oh gosh, man. I feel him. Big mama. Woo. That is a freaking monster. That right there is a monster tilapia. I'm gonna probably take this as my round 1. Boom! See how much time I have. I might even have time to do another net. And that's all she wrote for round 1 for PC. Pretty confident with that one. What are you feeling, Griff?
Well, you won that round. I'll give you that much. But if I can go over to the other side, it's game over. Are you kidding me, dude?
You know, right now, I should have 1, 2, 3, 4 fish.
Nah. What do you mean?
Threw out my fish.
Where?
Replay the clip. Griffin, don't even think about it. That's where. Look how red that tail is. And then it's got the red on the tips here. Tilapia are some beautiful fish. Let me tell you, this is a way you can hold them and they'll never flop out of your hand. Put your fingers under here and you lock them. He can flop all he wants. Can't go nowhere. Little bluegill. See ya, buddy. And big old tilapia. I got 2 fish and Griffin's got 1. Now the second round is only 3 minutes long. So it's 2 minutes shorter. 2, 1. Go! Go! I stepped on the Castnet line.
I almost did a backflip right there.
You already burnt 24 seconds.
All right, I'm going deep. It's over, boys and gals. We're going deep shot.
1 minute and 48 seconds to go. No. He's going to the corner. That's where the minnows are. That was my plan.
How much time do I have?
Minute and 28. There's so many minnows in that corner. Do you see them? Oh no. Oh no.
Only one.
Yeah, that's well, you gotta take the gamble. Are you good?
You got a net again.
Oh, go in. Yeah! Yes! 44 seconds left.
Oh yeah, wait till you see this.
Oh my gosh.
That might actually do it.
34. 33,
That might do it, Griffin.
32. 31.
Oh!
He lost 2 on the way. And I released him. Timer. Timer's up. How many fish does he have?
I lost 1.
2. 2? You lost 2 and I threw him back.
Holy.
Wow. How many we got? Count them out.
1 big mama. 2 big mama.
3.
Ah! That hurt so
He's
bad.
got 4 tilapia, dude. Wow. He would have had 6.
Were they big?
I didn't know what you're talking about.
That's funny. This guy's funny.
The score right now, as is 5-2. He's done. 5 is his final number. I need 3 fish to tie, 4 fish to win. Can I do it? I've got 3 minutes. We're gonna release his fish and start the clock. Wrong way, dude. Last one. See you later. Bye.
Did you see the eggs come out of its mouth?
Is that what he spit out?
Yeah. You know?
I saw the little balls that came out of her mouth.
It looked like fish food.
Looks like she spit out like fish food or something. Who knows? We got 3 minutes on the clock. Boom. And he didn't see the molly spot.
Taking a long time to get that rope in, bud.
I know. I need 4 fish, dude. 4 fish in the matter of like 2 minutes by the time I get to my spot. All right. I'm at the spot. Exactly where he caught his. But what he didn't do is throw in the weeds where all the mollies sit.
Uh-oh.
It's game over, baby. That's it. 1. Come on, more than 4.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. on the GoPro. I'm like, please don't throw there. Please don't throw there. He doesn't throw. Look at that right there. Big old mollies. Yep.
Wait, why did you do that?
Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
They have to go in the bucket. Is that actually like not on purpose?
That was not on purpose. Oh my God.
Oh my God. You better hurry up. They're all on the other side now. It's like, wait, why is he throwing them back?
Oh my God. I didn't think that one through.
Uh-oh.
Give me a second, Griff.
You probably have 30 seconds left.
40 seconds. Hold the phone. Hello?
That catch is...
Holy...
Oh my God.
Dude, look at them all.
You might have got robbed.
Who? Oh yeah, I got him. I got more than 4. 3. How much time
15 seconds.
15.
Oh.
I don't want to leave any on the grass. I'm leaving the net.
12.
10 seconds.
Oh. You better run, son.
We are the champions, my friends. I've never ran so fast in my life. That was like Usain Bolt, dude.
You hit the burners. I told you you had 9 seconds left, but you had 19.
Oh, so I ran for no reason.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah, you did make it. Good work.
Good game, man.
Wait, did you put them in there?
They're in there.
I
ran by at full speed and dropped them in.
Yeah, you just can't see them because mine were so big.
Yeah, if we're playing size, you win. Oh my God, wait, the eggs are in here too.
See, that's what I was saying. Are those eggs? Oh, those have to be eggs.
Oh my God, they're little fish.
No, they aren't.
If you look closely to these eggs, there's a fish on the egg. Can you get a focus on it? That is a tilapia with a little sack on it. And that mom tilapia dropped all these out of her mouth. She dropped some of them. They keep thousands, bro.
Really?
Thousands.
So those are babies?
She probably dropped like a quarter of them. Oh my gosh, look at them all in the freaking tub.
Oh, they're alive.
Oh my gosh.
Those came out of it. Those
see it. Look at them all.
So technically, do those count as my fish?
They do.
Oh.
Dude, you won.
Oh.
That was the biggest turnaround.
Yo, look how many are in there.
Griffin caught infinity.
It's like 1,000 to 6.
My total was like 6. Griffin got 1,000. Mama tilapia said, you win, Griff.
Oh my gosh, I said it dropped something out of its mouth.
Yeah, these are all baby tilapia. All these are baby tilapia. Look at them all, dude. Can you see them on camera?
Yeah. That's a tilapia.
Bro, by the hundreds. Where's the little net? So my total was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I mean, you must have got
technically 6 until the end. I thought those were eggs.
Dude, you win, man. You ran fair and square. Mama released the babies and you got over 1,000 in there.
Minimum.
That was the craziest turn of events. I ran there confidently thinking I won. I look in the bucket, there's still thousands of babies. I happen to have this white net in my truck, and I'm gonna show you just how tiny these little tilapia are. See all those? See them all? Babies everywhere. Now obviously we wanna make sure all these babies survive. Make sure none's on the net, shake it out. A couple right here. Make sure all of them are off. All right, they're all off. Let's release them. That was awesome.
Was sick.
All right, little buddies. Look at all those eggs. Look at all the eggs in the bucket still. All those orange things.
Oh my goodness.
Still got a couple. Oh, look at that one fish. One fish in the corner. See the one little baby? See it, bud? That right there was the Castnet challenge. 3-foot nets each. Had a total of 8 minutes. And Griffin took the dub. Very unexpected dub. How crazy was that? The fact that we got it on camera too was insane. Hundreds of baby fish. I've lost challenge after challenge after challenge against Brenton. And I ran my heart out. And I thought I took that W, dude. I was so confident. I look in the bucket, and of course, I was ripped away from my final goal, and that was to win a challenge. I still just can't win. I can never win.
You have a curse.
I have a curse against it, I'm telling you. Go subscribe to Griffin's channel. He did take the win, so I at least owe him a shout out. Big shout out as well to True Classic for sponsoring today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.